Assalamu everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Our today's recipe is very delicious and yummy and one of my hot favorite, that's beef yakhni pulao. So let's have a look at the ingredients. These are 1 kg beef, onion 3 medium size, tomatoes 3 medium size chopped, green chilies 3 to 5, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, ginger and garlic paste 2 tablespoon, green chutney paste 2 tablespoon, here I am using frozen, salt 2 to 3 tablespoon or as per your taste, red chili powder 1.5 tablespoon, all spices 1 teaspoon, white cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, and water 2 liter approximately. Now mix all the ingredients very well and switch on the flame to medium to high level. It will take almost 45 to 50 minutes of continuous boiling. So our stock is almost ready to make the pulao. You can see that the beef is almost tender by checking it with the fork. So strain the stock and discard the residue. Separate beef pieces. Now for making yakhni pulao, add 2 tablespoons of oil, adding 1 chopped onion. When almost it changes its color, now start adding pieces of beef in it. Stir fry it for few minutes until it changes its color. Now add the stock in it, almost 4 to 5 glasses of stock. When the liquid starts boiling, add soaked rice 1 kg. Now switch the flame to high level and bring it to boil until rice absorbs all the water in it. Now when the water is reduced, give it steam for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you can see our yummy beef yakhni pulao is ready. So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching the video.